This is a quick tip on how to pour liquids out of these square 1-gallon cans. I thought everyone knew this, but apparently they don't. I've seen people online doing it the wrong way. Most people have a tendency to take this and pour it this way. What'll happen is it'll dribble all down here. The easiest way to pour this is to pour it sideways, this way. And that way it's more than 90 degrees, or almost more, before it starts pouring, and you don't get any spill. Simple as that. And if you have to, if it's really full, you can actually pour it backwards like this, although sometimes the handle gets in the way.